In this video, I'm going to show you how to add admin on Facebook page on mobile devices. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into Facebook, then go to the top right and select on your profile picture. Then please go ahead and select on this drop down menu over here and select on your Facebook page. So this is the Facebook page that we're going to be working with today. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right one more time. Then you want to go ahead and press on the settings icon right over here. So just press on that. Then you just want to go ahead and scroll down until you see audience and visibility. Underneath this section, you're going to see this option that says page setup. It is going to have a flag icon right next to it. So please select on that. Then from here, you want to select on page access. Then you can now add admins, and basically admins are people with Facebook access, or you can add admins who do tasks, who have access to all of your different tasks. So all you want to do is you want to press on add new, then it is going to let you know all the details and stuff like that. So make sure to go ahead and read that and make sure that you fully know what you're getting yourself into. Then you want to press on next. Then you want to go ahead and search up the individual you would like to give Facebook access. So let's just go ahead and type in an individual really quickly. All right, so once you went ahead and selected on the person you want to go ahead and give access to, go ahead and press on give access in the bottom. You guys also have the option to allow this person to have full control. So anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including yourself, or even delete the page. You really want to be careful, and you should only do this to people you absolutely trust 1000%. But anyways, guys, you just want to go ahead and press on give access just like so. And then you want to go ahead and just enter in the profile password. All right, and then once you're done with that, it will now go ahead and invite them. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.